Hey everyone! In this straightforward guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to download and install Adobe After Effects for free on your PC, Mac, or laptop. You'll also learn how to get a full 14-day free trial of the business plan, making the process a breeze. Step 1. Click the link in this video's description. It will take you to Adobe's business trial page for After Effects. Once you're there, select the business plan option. This not only gives you access to all premium features, but also some fantastic extras for team collaboration and project sharing. It's the full After Effects experience, no watered-down version, and it's sure to get you pumped for your creative projects. Now, choose what works best for you. Want flexibility? Pick the monthly option. You can cancel anytime, so there's no commitment. Want to save money? Go with the yearly plan. It's cheaper on a per-month basis if you already know you'll be using it long-term. You'll need to sign in or create a free Adobe account. And yes, Adobe does ask for a payment method to start the trial. But rest assured, you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14 days are up. I recommend setting a reminder just to be safe. After signing up, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud app. Once installed, search for After Effects, click Install, and you're good to go. Depending on your connection, you'll be up and running in a few minutes. And that's it. You now have 2 full weeks to dive into After Effects, test out motion graphics visual effects, and explore all the pro-level tools with zero risk. If you love it, stick with the monthly plan, or switch to the yearly one to save more. If this helped you out, please like this video and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials and tips. Do you have any questions or want to share what you're creating in After Effects? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your creative journey with After Effects.